Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering facts. Capture the host error message and when it happened, because the exact text narrows the cause. Next, check system health, disk, memory, CPU, and note recent spikes. This tells you if resources triggered the fault. Once done, verify you have SSH access and correct firewall rules, and that a maintenance window is approved. This ensures you can run fixes safely. Do these first so every following change is targeted and reversible, not guesswork. You now dig into logs and diagnostics to connect symptoms with cause. Review syslog and application logs around the error timestamp. Correlate kernel messages for hardware or driver hints. Then run diagnostics, SmartDual for disks, FSCK in read-only to detect corruption, and top or vmstat for resource contention, so you know if it's hardware, file system, or load. Once you identify a suspect service, isolate it. Stop unrelated processes and use trace or elseoff to see file or network locks, making the fault reproducible and fixable. You apply the targeted fix based on your isolation step. Replace the faulty disk, restart or redeploy the service, update a driver or clear corrupt cache, and explain why that change addresses the root cause. Then validate. Run the same checks and attempt to reproduce the error while monitoring metrics for 30 to 60 minutes, because transient issues can reappear. If it still fails, revert to your snapshot or notes, enable verbose logging, and escalate with the collected logs and diagnostic outputs as one clear troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.